Hi, I have 20 euros. Do you want to have that?
Why?
In this money group, we will challenge these core beliefs around money and to show you how people react and what their core beliefs are. We went out to Alkmaar to see what they say if we just give them money. With no reason whatsoever, we just give them money and let's see how they react.
I wanted to give you 20 euros. For nothing, just
No,
for...
no.
No? I wanted to give you 20 euros.
No, thank you.
I wanted to give you 20 euros.
No.
No? Why not? It's for free. Hello, good morning. Hi. I wanted to give you 20 euros.
No.
No? Why not? Amazing. I wanted to give you 20 euros.
No, that's okay.
No? Why not?
Thank you.
They look shocked.
Hi, I have 20 euros. Do you want to have that?
Why?
I just want to give that away.
Oh, really?
Yeah?
Yeah, if you want it.
Yeah?
Thank
You're welcome.
you.
Yeah.
12 euros and 85 cents, please.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
I will bring it back to you.
Thanks. That's amazing.
There you
And I would like to give this to you.
To me,
Yes.
why?
Because I think you deserve it. Don't you agree?
I think that is a lot to give.
So what?
Nothing, but thank you. But it is a lot to give. So thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
I will share this with my coworkers.
Great.
Thank you very much.
I would like to know how you felt when you received the 50 euros.
I find it to be a bit difficult because it is a lot of money to just get something not completely correct, if you know what I mean. It feels counterintuitive, I think.
I want to challenge our beliefs about money because from my own experience, I'm very clear that we are creating our financial situation. And yes, we can blame the society and we can blame the taxes and God knows what, and my parents were poor or rich or whatever. But we are manifesting our situation. We are exactly creating what we think is best for us. And I'm shocked, again shocked. I have done this experiment already many times. But it's so shocking how people reject money. They don't want the money. It's interfering with their belief system. It's not possible that somebody just gives you money without any reason. I was super excited to do this money group on January 14 and 15. It gives everybody a kick to look at this and to change this bondage of money. We can be free and just let money come to us. That would be my wish.